Today we are honouring mothers, grandmothers, aunts and aunties, and those who stood in their place when the time was needed. We honour single fathers, those who grew up without a mother, and those that had a mother but is no longer with us but just in spirit. We honour pet mums, wannabe mums, and all of the other mother figures in our lives that has nurtured us, raised us, and taught us to be who we are. This year, lots of talented paper crafters joined our annual parent card drive to help celebrate this special day. Mother's Day and Father's Day can sometimes be a difficult time for those who spend it alone. However, we want these important people to feel loved, celebrated, and honoured. So our Celebrating Parents card drive is all about spreading kindness and love through carefully creating handmade cards. As card makers, we know how meaningful it is to share the creations made from the heart with others, and through this card drive you have done just that. With all of the cards that were sent in from all corners of the US, we were able to brighten the day of hundreds of individuals. Thank you to everyone who contributed by sending in heartfelt cards, thoughtful messages, and paper crafted love. We love that we can rely on the paper crafting community to spread kindness in this world. Finally, to everyone watching this video, we wanted to let you know that we value each and every single one of you. Remember, you are loved, and don't forget to craft your life.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!